Brought my mom and her trusty clipboard to this house that has the potential for 2 offices on 1 floor.
2 on 1 floor?
Watch what happens. Grand entrance, vaulted ceilings, over 5,500 square feet.
Vaulted ceiling?
And flooded with light throughout.
Check.
This first floor office features wainscoting, natural light, and it's pretty cool that it's a separate room.
Oh my, this is a real office. It is not a desk shelved in the corner.
And with a door that actually closes.
Office number 1, check.
This office can be used as a second office, a formal living room, or a playroom, depending on what you need.
Wait, did you say 2 offices on the same floor?
2 offices, first floor only.
Office number 2? But I love how they're using this room now.
She's impressed.
I didn't say that.
And now for the outdoor space.
This deck is excessive.
In a good way?
In the best way. Someone is gonna love this house.
If that's you, contact me now. Link in bio.